TigerTube! It's TigerTube, raw, and today we're the latest Lego Technic Dozer Compactor. It looks like a tractor, but you call it Dozer Compactor, so who cares, hey? So, and we've made it right here already. Right here, as you can see. This is, oh gosh. It's exactly the same thing looking, of course, what do you expect? But, as you can see, it's very, very good, handy, and mechanicalism and Technic. So, it looks exactly the same. And this one is actually very special, because there's two models in one. So, this one, you can have two in one. So, you can change it up a bit, like break it all apart, and make another one. You can make different one, like maybe, a big lorry. At the top bit. I think so, yeah. This is what I'm talking about. You can make this one instead. If you just want to really ruin your product, and now it just ends up as a piece of Lego. Follow the instructions. Well, anyway, guys, this has a lot of pieces in it, and you don't really lose one. You don't really want to lose one, or else it won't be the same old thing you want to look at. And so as you see here, there's lots of mechanisms. You can turn the wheels from left to right, as you can see here. So this is the new latest Lego of Lego Technics of the 42071. So anyway, it's TigerTube, roar!